Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a USB hard drive adapter. First, understand that this process involves connecting an internal drive to an external USB port. This setup is perfect for accessing old files or transferring data from a drive that's no longer in a computer. We'll cover the essential components and the simple steps to get your drive connected and recognized by your system quickly and efficiently. To begin, gather your essential components. You'll need a SATA to USB adapter cable, which is the core of this setup. Make sure the adapter is compatible with your hard drive size, whether it's a smaller 2.5-inch laptop drive or a larger 3.5-inch desktop drive. For 3.5-inch drives, a separate power supply unit is crucial, as the USB port alone cannot provide enough power. Have your hard drive ready too. Now, let's connect your drive. First, firmly attach the SATA connector from your adapter cable to the corresponding ports on your hard drive. These are typically a wider data port and a narrower power port. If you're working with a 3.5-inch desktop drive, connect its dedicated external power supply and plug it into an outlet. Finally, take the USB end of the adapter cable and plug it into an available USB port on your computer. Your system should now detect the drive. Once connected, your computer should automatically recognize the hard drive as an external storage device. You can then access its contents through File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac, just like any other USB drive. If the drive doesn't appear, check your connections and ensure the power supply is active for 3.5-inch drives. Remember to safely eject the drive before disconnecting it to prevent data corruption. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.